Hello friends, welcome to Tech Hunt in English YouTube channel. This is Swarna. Friends, there are only few days to welcome 2021. It is so exciting, and when compared to 2019 and 2020, there were lot of changes which happened in everywhere. Even though few changes were challenging, we are adapting all those changes and we are upcoming all those struggles or tasks only to lead our lives successfully. Friends, I do believe change is the only constant thing in our lives. Coming to today's topic, today I came up in this video with the new challenges or changes going to happen in 2021 from January. Most of these changes will be effective from January 1st, 2021. Just have a look at these changes. As we all know, we can send or transfer the money through Google Pay and it is all for free. There is no charges for the money transactions. And recently Google Pay has made an announcement that it will be charged for the money transactions. Yes, Google Pay is going to charge a certain amount for each and every transaction and it will be effective from January 2021. As of now, these charges will be applicable in US. And one more thing is Google Pay web app site will no longer work from January 1st, 2021. Right now, there is no charges for this Google Pay or Google Pay business apps in India. There may be chances of bringing these charge based money transfers in India also, as I think. Telecom industry has implemented a new rule which will be effective from January 1st, 2021. It is about adding zero before to the mobile number. When you are calling to a person through the landline to a mobile number, you need to add or prefix zero to the mobile number. Even the same is intimating to all the users by the telecom industry that they need to add zero at the starting of the mobile number, then they need to dial. Indian government has brought new rules and regulations regarding GST registration. Businesses with turnover up to 5 crore need to file only 4 GST sales of return per year or GSTR 3B instead of 12. This will impact over 94 taxpayers and small taxpayers need to file only 8 returns per year and this will be come into act from January 2021. On the every first day of every month, all marketing companies are changing or revising their prices of LPG on the basis of crude oil rates in the global market. So, you will be noticing price difference from every month to month. Union Ministry of Road Transports and Highways has made that FASTag is compulsory or mandatory for all the four-wheeler vehicles. This will be effective from January 1st, 2021. So all the vehicles need to have the FASTag. Along with this, government is also planning to bring new GPS based tolling system where you no need to wait at the toll gate and pay the money. And the money will be deducted directly from the account of the motorist. So it will avoid the traffic jam. Maruti Suzuki, Mahindra and Mahindra are increasing their car prices effective from January 1st, 2021 as the input cost is more for them. NPCI has decided to impose additional charges for UPI payment services effective from January 1st, 2021 and it is imposing 30% cap on the UPI payment related services and users may also need to pay additional charges on transactions in Google Pay or Phone Pay or Amazon Pay or other third party apps. RBI has increased the limit of contactless card transactions from 2000 to 5000 which will enhance the digital payments which is safe and secure and this will come into act from January 1st, 2021. RBI is planning to introduce a positive pay system for check payments especially to avoid the banking frauds. As per the new system, it will ask for the double confirmation for the check payments above 50,000 rupees. This will be effective from January 1st, 2021. Every year at the end of the year, WhatsApp will stop working for few smartphones based on the operating system. And this year also WhatsApp will stop working for the Android phones which are not upgraded to OS 4.0.3. And coming to the iPhones, it will stop working which are not upgraded to iOS 9. So friends, these are the top 10 changes which are going to implement in India effective from January 1st, 2021. Hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. Thank you. Bye bye.